Hey, welcome back everyone. In my most recent video, I provide tips on how to reduce cognitive overload during the visual processing stage of learning BPMN. For today, I thought it would be great to share another quick tip on how to attain a higher understanding of BPMN through the process of chunking information. As new learners, we have probably all been faced with looking at models that could fit on a 34 by 44 canvas. If you haven't seen one, just wait. I'm sure at some point you will see a model with every possible notation. And to be honest, that is the definition of information overload as a new learner. What's worse, as a new modeler or a new learner of BPMN, you probably didn't have that cognitive capacity to consume all of that information on the process model. And trying to do so was probably not the most effective way for understanding all of those notations. And so today's quick tip is, if you're new to BPMN, try focusing in on only one part of a business process model to build your understanding in chunks. On the screen, I'm focused in on one part of a larger process model for the management of business processes to demonstrate this example. As a newer modeler, we can start by understanding how a few notations are connected, such as the conditional start event, the sequence flow, the user task, the data input object, and the exclusive gateway. A tip: don't worry about understanding what happens after this chunk, especially if you're trying to integrate these new notations into your current understanding. An example of this is, you may have seen just a start event, but the first time you see a conditional start event, you may be able to quickly understand that this is a specific type, that when a condition occurs, my process will begin. Andrew Gemino and Yari Wan have argued that doing so, as the reviewer, you can build a more sophisticated cognitive model of the notation that form a higher level of understanding. So when the event process data occurs, our process can begin. I'm going to use the token to represent the movement through the process, just for a visual representation here. But we'll see as the token transverses through the sequence flow to the user task evaluate goals. Based on the data input performance metrics, we can evaluate these goals. Depending on that data, our process goals are either achieved or not achieved. And so by using an exclusive gateway, we can create two diverging paths to represent achieved or not achieved based on that data and evaluation of our goals. So a question for you: have you tried learning by focusing in on only parts of a model? Do you feel that it has been effective for you during your learning journey? I would love to know, so please leave a comment below and let me know your experience.